We don't have an enmity, any grudge, any jealousy for any one person in our heart. So we are open and we spread this message that you love each other. And the standard of love and the definition of love is different for each other. When you sympathize somebody who's your enemy, then even then that is love, because you are not going to create some problem for the person, or you are not going to take revenge from the person, or you are not going to attack the person. So if you understand this thing, that peace and harmony and love is the teaching of God the Almighty, who has sent all the prophets, all the religions, then we can all live amicably, peacefully. And this is the teaching of Jesus Christ as well, that you must live harmoniously, peacefully, so that you can follow the true teaching of Jesus. So this is our message, and this is what we spread, and this is the only thing. It's a matter of understanding. If you understand that what is religion and what religion wants from you, then you can create love and harmony. If you don't understand, then there are so many people who hatch envy and enmity in their heart, so they cannot live together. So if I have understood your question well, that this is the only thing, that is a matter of understanding and seeing in which perspective you are taking the religion. If you think the religion is for the sake of peace and love and harmony, then you can live in this way. If you think that your religion is just to take revenges and put troubles to others before others, then you cannot live together.